Okay, students, so poem is explained. I think you understood this poem. Now this is homework time. I am giving you some questions, that is textbook exercises. These are very common and easy questions. First you have to try to do it yourself. It is very easy. First is think and write. First question, tick the activities for which water is needed. So some options are given here. You have to tick the answers which are activities in which water is needed. The options are to play, to sing, to row a boat, to write, to make tea, to knead dough means atta gunna, to run a fan, to paint pictures, to grow plants. You got it? I think you can do it. Next, what can you do without water? You can sleep without water. You can run without water, walk without water, write without water. So many activities are there which we can do without water. So you can write it. What you cannot do without water? So you know which are the activities you cannot do without water? Bathing, drinking, washing, cooking. You can write that. Water more or less. Arrange the following on the basis of the amount of water that is needed for each of the activities. Begin with the activity that needs the most water. You got this? We have to arrange these on the basis of amount of water that is needed for each of the activity. Means activity that needs most water we have to write first, then next. So some activities are given here: to bake, to drink, to clean the house, to water fields, to knead the dough, to cook the food. So these activities are given. आपको इसमें क्या करना है, जिस एक्टिविटी में सबसे ज़्यादा पानी लगता है उस एक्टिविटी को सबसे पहले लिखना है, उसके बाद उससे कम पानी वाली, फिर उससे कम पानी वाली. यू कैन डू इट. सो आई थिंक यू कैन डू इट. यू हैव टू डू इट योरसेल्फ. Is water from where? In the poem you read about rivers, waterfalls, lakes and springs. We get water from all these places. From where do you get water? Put a round around those places that are either in your house or around it. ऐसे places जो आपके घर में हैं, घर के पास हैं, उनके उस पर आपको सर्कल करना है. लेक, स्ट्रीम, वेल, टैप, ट्यूबवेल, टैंक, वाटरफॉल, सी, हैंड पंप, रिवर, hot water spring. Which places are near your house or around your house? You have to circle that place. Next, think and write. Have you seen hot water coming out of the ground? Where? गर्म पानी कहीं से बाहर निकलते हुए देखा है ग्राउंड में से? कौन सी प्लेस पे देखा है वो आपको लिखना है. Does any river flow across your village or city? If yes, write its name. If you are living in city, which river flows across your city? Next, do you know the names of any rivers? Write their names. You know now so many rivers are there in our India. You can write their names. Now next, think and tell. At home, where do you get drinking water from? कहाँ से पीते हो पानी? Where do you go to fetch water? How much time does it take to bring the water? कितने टाइम लगता है आपको पानी लाने में? Why do we need to store water? हमको पानी स्टोर करके क्यों रखना चाहिए? Who fetches and stores water in your house? आपके घर में कौन पानी लाता है और इकट्ठा करके रखता है? डू यू एंड योर नेबर्स ब्रिंग वाटर फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट प्लेसेस? वाई, आपके पड़ोसी अलग जगह से पानी लाते हैं और आप अलग जगह से लाते हैं, ऐसा भी होता है क्या? वाई, क्यों? ट्राई टू राइट these answers yourself. I will give you these answers in next video, but first you try to do it.